Hey Savvy Tech family, welcome back to Savvy Tech Avantika. Today we have a special challenge for all tech enthusiasts. Answer these 5 computer questions correctly and win a free AI course. Question 1. What does CPU stand for in computer terminology? Is it A, B, C, or D? Comment your answer below. Question 2. Which programming language is known as the mother of all languages? Think you know the answer? Drop it in the comments. Question 3. What is the main function of an operating system? Is it A, to manage hardware and software resources, B, to create graphics, C, to browse the internet, or D, to play games? What's your guess? Question 4. Which company developed the Windows operating system? Easy peasy, right? Let me know your answer. Question 5. What does HTML stand for? Is it A, Hypertext Markup Language, B, Hypertext Machine Language, C, High Text Markup Language, or D, Hypertool Markup Language? Last question, make it count. That's it for today's challenge. How many did you get right? Comment below and let me know. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Savvy Tech Avantika. Until next time, keep learning and stay savvy. Bye.